Go straight into it. This is the MP legendary slow cooked beef chili. I'm going to put 2 kilos of the beef, gravy beef, into the slow cooker pot. Now watch this. This is no chopping involved. It's just bang, straight in the pot. Simple as you can get. You don't need to be a cook to be able to make this up. Delicious.
Just because we're lazy. So we try and take shortcuts anywhere we can.
Yeah. I'm just draining kidney beans at the moment.
Okay. No, you do. Mummy's not going today.
So I've put about 2 tins in there so far. I'm going to put 3 in there. Here's a good point about things like kidney beans. If you're not used to eating them, I'm not used to eating them right now. You want to probably err on the side of less is more. Otherwise, you're going to stink out anywhere you are.
Constantly farting.
You will constantly fart. Yeah.
And we notice that with the girls as well. If we give them start with chickpeas and lentils in it, just little bits.
Ultimate cheat. I hate chopping onions. I really do. They sting my eyes. And they take so long to do. So I just buy the frozen ones. Nothing wrong with them, just as good. I reckon we're going to get a full pot here. Awesome. So, almost got everything in there. Going to go the small packet of taco seasoning. Again, another really good pack rather than getting all the individual spices. Put some chili in there. Chili flakes, I'm a guesstimator. So I'm not going to measure that. Boom. So there we go. There it is. Now I'll show you the recipe so you can see it. There it is. Boom. MP legendary slow cooked beef chili.